Hello everyone and welcome to season 21 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. It's Eber Prep from St. James going up against Mandeville Primary from Manchester. I'm your host, Joni Wedderburn, and the action begins right now. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier we had the toss and Eber Prep won and decided to go first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, and with that time on the clock, we begin with Eber Prep. In what book of the Bible can you find the statement, "But the greatest of these is charity"?
Ephesians.
Incorrect, it's 1 Corinthians. Mandeville, in what book of the Bible, this is for Bible knowledge, in what book of the Bible can you find the statement, "For God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten son"?
John.
Correct. Jamaican affairs is a visual, this is for Eber. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Robert Lester Morgan.
Incorrect, it's Colonel Rocky Meade. It's the former JDF Chief of Staff. Jamaican affairs for Mandeville. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Kevin Blake.
Incorrect, it's Anthony Anderson, the former police commissioner. Science for Eber. What name is given to the process of moving food, beverages, or saliva from the human mouth to the stomach through the pharynx and esophagus?
Swallowing.
Correct. Mandeville, by what process is ingested food broken down into its constituent components for use by the human body?
Absorption.
Incorrect, it's digestion. Eber, television, it's a visual. Look at the monitor and identify the actor.
Chris Rock.
That's right. Mandeville, look at the monitor and identify the actor.
Kevin Hart.
That's right. English language for Eber. The mountains are dancing beside the ocean is an example of what figure of speech?
Personification.
That's correct. Mandeville, he is as cold as ice is an example of what figure of speech?
Simile.
Correct. Eber, sports, it's a visual. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Right. Vinicius Jr.
Vinicius Jr.
We will go ahead and accept that. It's Vinicius Jr. Mandeville, look at the monitor and identify this person.
Declan Rice.
Incorrect, it's Kai Havertz, international footballer. General knowledge for Eber, what is the capital of Lebanon?
Tyrian.
That's incorrect, it's Beirut. Mandeville, Seoul is the capital of which country?
South Korea.
That's correct. Social studies for Eber, which Caribbean country became independent in 1978?
Saint Vincent and Grenadines.
Incorrect, it's Dominica. Mandeville, which Caribbean country became independent in 1804?
Haiti.
That's right. Music, this is for Eber. How many notes are there in a musical scale?
5.
Incorrect, it's 7. Mandeville, how many keys are there on a standard piano?
88.
That's right. Mathematics, Eber, what is 75% of 2,880?
Say something.
Mandeville, would you like to try?
No, thank you.
2,160. Sticking with Mandeville, what is 75% of 3,240?
2,430.
That is correct. Jamaican affairs, won't be able to get to that question. That's the end of section 1. The scores are Eber Prep on 4 and Mandeville Primary on 7. We go to the break with a friendly tip from Guardian Achiever. Stay hydrated by drinking water throughout the day, especially during study sessions. Stay with us. Season 21 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz returns after these messages.